In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Hugo to Todoist, so the action items from your meetings turn into real tasks the moment the call ends. It takes about a minute, and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find Hugo, then click it to open its page. Hugo is a meeting notes app, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign into your Hugo account and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only grants Hugo permission to send the tasks you create from your notes. Once it's linked, your meetings stop leaking action items. While you take notes in Hugo, you can flag any line as a task and push it straight into Todoist, assigned and dated. By the time the call wraps, your follow-ups are already sitting in your list, ready to go. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and the things you agree to in meetings finally make it onto your real to-do list. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.